Our latest release brings enhanced customization, engineering precision, and accessibility to Prevu3D users worldwide. With the new manual pipe extraction tool in RealityPlan, you can easily define reality assets from pipes, streamlining the process with precision and flexibility. Map out your pipe selection, adjust points, angles, or diameters as needed, and ensure every detail fits your project perfectly before confirming. The clash detection tool ensures precise collision detection, helping you identify and resolve design conflicts early to avoid costly errors in construction and engineering projects. Simply select Evaluate Clash to detect potential issues. Use the Evaluate Clearance option to highlight clearance zones in yellow and adjust the distance for greater visibility of hidden impacts that may not be immediately visible. The new manual offset window in RealityPlan gives users precise control over an object's position and rotation relative to its current state. Fine-tune object placements with exact translation and rotation values. Switch between local and global coordinate systems for flexible adjustments. Ideal for managing objects in complex Prevu3D scenes where precision matters. We're excited to announce the addition of Asian language support. Now RealityPlan Web offers full language support for Chinese, Japanese, and Korean, enhancing accessibility and usability for our global user base. Enhance your Prevu3D experience with the return of the custom avatar creation feature. Personalize avatars for both the desktop and web applications to reflect your unique style and identity. Customize facial features, clothing, and hair. We optimize the reality capture upload and processing experience by tailoring device-based workflows to the specific scanning devices used, ensuring better compatibility, improved data quality, and a more reliable pipeline. This targeted approach supports more file formats, improves processing efficiency, and provides a seamless user experience for diverse workflows. On Reality Platform, the user management settings now allow you to assign permission levels, such as Division Admin and Super Admin, to new users. You can also create groups under any division and easily add or invite team members to join. For more on our release, visit our website at Prevu3D.com. Follow us on LinkedIn for more updates. Until next time.